Alright, number 17 says a spinner has 8 congruent sections. We can see that. The spinner is spun 120 times. What is a reasonable prediction? And remember, if we see prediction, we're making a proportion. For the number of times the spinner will land on an even number. So first let's look through and find all the even numbers. 2 is even, 16 is even, 8 is even. So there's 3 out of 8 that are even. That's the first part. And because it's a proportion or a prediction, we're making that proportion. If it says it's spun 120 times, that's my total. So that goes on the bottom. And that's my unknown. Oh, is there a way to simplify? Nope. And nope. So just cross multiply. These are fairly easy numbers. 120 times 3, 1236, that's 360. And 8 times x is 8x. Always the last step is to divide by the number that's attached to your variable. So we're dividing by 8. So 360 divided by 8. 8 into 3 is 0. Put that 0 up there. 8 into 36 is 4 times. That's 32. And I'm going to stop there for a second because I'm going to look at my choices. If 4 has to be the first number in my answer, that's not right, and that's not right. So even if you got tired, ran out of time, didn't know what else to do, you could have some options here to guess. But no need to guess. We're going to keep working. 6, 5, 4. Bring down that 0. 8 into 40 5 times. Ta-da!